Okay, let's see. We're looking at lesson 1 in Triad Magic, and let's see. So we're going to be talking about building a G major triad from a G major scale. And so to start with, here's the G major scale. Here's G, 5th fret on the 4th string, and I'm going to start running the scale that's diagrammed on your page there. And the letters we're playing are G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and G. Okay, now that's a numerical system, the major scale. So here's the numbers: 1, 2, 3, half step to 4, 5, 6, 7, half step to 1. And now to get a G major triad from that, or a G major chord from that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the first 3 odd numbers, the root, which is 1, skip the 2, the 3 is B, skip the 4, the 5 is D. So I have 1, 3, and 5. Gives me the sound of a G chord, a G major chord. Okay, so now let's look at page 5, and we're gonna play through the 4 types of triads, and you're also gonna want to look at the top of page 6, because those are the shapes that I'm gonna play. But starting with just the 4 types of triads on page 5, I'm gonna kind of run through them. And what I'm gonna do is take a G major triad, which means a G chord, and I'm gonna turn that into a G minor triad by flatting the 3. So 1, 2, 3 is B, 1, 2, flat 3 is B flat. G, B flat, D, that's the spelling of a G minor triad. So G major is G, B, D. G minor is G, B flat, D. Okay, so those are the 2 main types of triads that you'll find in most songs. And less often you'll run across the diminished and augmented, but we need to be complete here and talk about the 4 types of triads, because we will be using all 4 types. So in the diminished triad, we have root, flat 3, and then the 5 is also flat. So we're playing a G diminished triad, or G diminished chord, when I play those 3 strings. And remember, with everything we're doing in this book, we're only playing the strings that are involved. We're not adding any strings that we're not talking about. Okay, so, and then the G augmented would be the root, the 3rd is not flat, and the 5 is sharp. So I'm going to play root, 3, sharp 5. That gives me G augmented. So here's the 4 types of triads again: G, G minor, G diminished, G augmented. Okay, so you want to kind of commit those to memory. And again, like I said, if you look at the top of page 6, those are the shapes I just played. And that's all we're going to talk about for lesson 1. So when you finish that, pull up the video for lesson 2 when you finish the rest of lesson 1. Thank you.